How to bake this simple cake. You will need an English cake mixture of any flavor of your choice, and you can get it at the supermarket. And before you start, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. First of all, add 3 eggs to your mixture. Then add 120 milliliter of vegetable oil, or if you prefer, melted butter. Then add 80 milliliters of water to your mixture. This method really helped me bake a simple cake. Then mix your mixture for 5 minutes and pour it into a baking pan. Later on, put it in the oven. Then wait for 30 to 45 minutes. Then put your toothpick into the cake, and if it comes out dry, your cake is ready. Let your cake cool down for 10 minutes and then enjoy your cake.